In today's video, I'm going to teach you to export transparent video in CapCut. By the end, you'll be able to remove a background from your clip, place it over any scene you like, and export a clean result that looks like your subject was filmed right in that setting. Start by opening CapCut on your desktop. Bring in the footage you want to make transparent, along with any background clip you plan to use later. Importing both now keeps everything organized and saves time. This process works best on clips where your subject stands out clearly from the background, so high contrast and good lighting are your friends. Next, add your main clip to the workspace. Drag it onto the timeline so it appears in the preview window. Click the clip to make sure it's selected. With the clip active, look for the background removal option and choose Remove BG, then select Auto Removal. CapCut will analyze the clip and cut out the background for you. You'll see a progress indicator while it processes. Let it finish so you get the cleanest result. Once the auto removal has completed, play your clip to check the edges around your subject. If you see minor halos or soft edges, that's normal for automated removal, especially on busy or low contrast footage. At this stage, you can adjust the clip's position and size directly in the preview by dragging the handles, or use the controls to align the subject where you want them to appear. Now it's time to place your new environment. Drag your background video onto the timeline and make sure it sits on a track below your main subject clip. The order matters. The subject should be on top, so the transparent areas reveal the background beneath. Trim or extend the background so it matches the duration of your main clip, and adjust the background scale and framing so it complements your subject. Scrub through the timeline to confirm the two clips move together nicely and that there aren't any gaps or black frames. When everything looks right, you're ready to export. Click Export, choose your file name, resolution and format, and confirm your settings align with your project needs. Higher resolutions preserve detail, but also increase file size, so pick what makes sense for your delivery. Preview one last time, then start the export. That's it. You've created a transparent look by removing the background, placing a new scene beneath your subject, and exporting a polished composite ready to share.